Do you know what is a covalent bond and types of covalent bond? Let's study these using hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and methane molecules. The bond formed between atoms by sharing of the electrons are called covalent bond. Let's take hydrogen. Here, bond is formed between two hydrogen atoms by sharing a pair of electrons, and it is called single covalent bond. It can be represented in either ball stick or electron dot structure. In case of oxygen, covalent bond is formed by sharing two pairs of electrons, and it is called double covalent bond. In nitrogen, covalent bond is formed by sharing three pairs of electrons, and it is called triple covalent bond. Now, let's take methane. It has a formula CH4. Hydrogen has a valency of 1. Carbon is tetravalent because it has 4 valence electrons. In order to achieve noble gas configuration, carbon shares these electrons with 4 atoms of hydrogen through a single covalent bond. Hence, we understood that by sharing of electrons between atoms, covalent bonds are formed, and there are 3 types in the form of single, double and triple covalent bonds.